Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ, Al, whichever one. You know, I'm so used to saying JJ. But we got, as y'all can tell by our thumbnail, we got our 2010 Chevy Silverado, 1500, paid 32. Look at it. So when I was turning, though, only thing that I noticed is when I was turning that it was like something like rubbing over here. So I don't know if it's like this line or something was rubbing. Maybe like this line needs to be, or maybe, I don't know. Like the line was like it was like a little rubbing noise, but that ain't nothing major. But it's a 2010. Y'all see what the price I picked it up for? What y'all think? And look, they said it was an oversized load, so that's why it took a minute. But I guess it says oversized because it looks like it has a little small lift, but it doesn't really look lifted. It looks more level to me. But so we got decent tires, but I'll probably replace both back tires because it is a rear wheel drive. Like this one, cause like kind of like cracked up, and it's got the other one right there. So I just ended up replacing those. Then we got the center. Okay, we got the center cap. So I ended up getting two. I'll get two new tires for the back. But yeah, it's a LT 2010 LT. We'll put the spare back up there underneath. It's a Texas edition. I get this little body side, little trim molding, and the T and the S came off, but we ain't too worried about that. It's got leather interior. It needs a door handle. The seat was a little messed up. That's probably why they said the airbag. They said airbag deployed, so I didn't see any other things for it. So it's got a little rip. We'll probably just put a seat cover, one of them Chevy little seat covers over there. Needs a door handle on this side. Needs a door handle for that side, cause see, it doesn't work. But good leather interior. Don't look like nobody really ever sat in the back of here. Gotta hang this up there. Y'all can hear. Y'all hear? Got the pipes on there sitting up a little bit. I guess it is sitting. Look like it is sitting up a little bit, but doesn't really look like it's sitting up a little bit. So it's got a good spare on it though. The spare is good. So the spare is good. So put the spare on there. Get two good back tires. Put that on there. I'll find this little tail light as well. I'll find that. Let me see if there's any. Other than that, the body's in good condition. Want nothing like a good detail and scrub and. That's just how. That's just how the bumper is. It's got a little dent right there. It is two-wheel drive. You know, it is two-wheel drive, so it ain't like nothing crazy or nothing. Two-wheel drive. I think it has like 175, like 180, 170 or 181. 180 and 170. I forget the miles. It's one of the two. But yeah, well, let me know what y'all think. You know, what can I sell it for? You know, what y'all think? You know, what all would y'all do to it? You know, in the comment section below, what all would y'all do to it? But yeah, it's a 2010, 180 on the miles. I'll just say 180 because it's a little bit like over 170, but I'll say 180 on the miles. 2010 two-wheel drive Chevy Silverado LT 1500 Texas edition. I'm thinking like 9,000, 10,000, somewhere in there. 9 or 10,000. I'm thinking that's fair. You know, does have a check engine light on, but that's for like the evap. Does have auto lights, dome lights. It's got the little toe. trailer. Like some little aftermarket pipes. Aftermarket exhaust style up there. Like I said, fix that little light up there. Put a fresh detail on here. Go get me a seat cover, some door handles. Change the oil. Change all the oil. Top off the fluids. Pop this good old hood underneath here. Purring like a kitten. Purring like a kitten. Purr, baby, purr. Purr, baby, purr. Purr, baby, purr. Purr. Yep. And I bought this one from, and if y'all don't want to know, if y'all can't tell by the little picture over there, I bought it from ACV. ACV on Tuesdays and Thursdays, they run a lot of no reserves, which no reserves mean whatever the car brings is what they sell it for. So whatever the last winning bid is, so that's why I like ACV, because they had a no reserve going on. So whatever the last price is, whoever the last on the win wins, you know. So it doesn't matter what it sells, doesn't matter if the truck bought $1,000, they would have sold it, because when the dealership puts it up there for a no reserve, whatever their car brings, it has to be sold. So it brought $32.50. It came from Texas, so like 400 to get it back, like $450, so like $3,600 in it. I think I can sell it for like bare minimum $8,500 is the bare minimum that I can sell it for. I think I could probably get 10, but I'm gonna say bare minimum 85. So bare minimum is $4,000 profit. Probably get more. Try to get that up to like 5,000. Ain't nothing like a $5,000 profit, you know. But I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If y'all haven't already, you know, 58% oil life. So like I said, check engine light on. Steering wheel's just a little. That's probably because whatever that is rubbing over there. So get the oil life. It's good. Temperature's good. Little minor little things. But appreciate y'all for rocking with me. You know, happy Monday. Hope everybody's having a good week. We're gonna start off with a good week. I was driving for a little bit, but I'm not really a truck. I mean, I'm a truck fan, but not a Chevy truck fan. Give me like a Toyota Tundra. You know, I'm more of a Toyota type of guy. Service stability track. Probably needs to be aligned. And it does have remote start on it too. So I'm gonna check out the remote start for a second. So appreciate y'all. Let me be right back with y'all.